Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I thought we'd get our day started. I told you I'm gonna be back all week because I have things I need to get done. If you missed yesterday's video, please go take a look at it. We set up our weekly. There's some things that I need to change, like graduation. I'm way off. I'm way off. So what we want to do is go to our monthly. Your girl needs some glasses. The graduation is the 28th. All right, so now that we know that the graduation is on next week, we can update it. So we can go back to our weekly and take this off, all right? And we can go to our daily, which I don't think I have these linked. So we're gonna have to go back to the monthly. I'm not understanding why my link is not. Must be that page. I'm not understanding. All right, so today is the 20th. And I like to do my weeklies when I have things I gotta get done. Of course, it's been a minute. I just been working off the top of my head. Not a good idea. But I had to write a paper. Guys, I got my National Board Certified paper turned in on last Friday. So I'll be awaiting the next few months to see how I did. Y'all pray for me. All right, so we still got classes, block 1. I like to do mine individually. I told you all that so that I can move stuff around. I teach 3 classes a day. Okay, so we teach at 9 o'clock. I think it ends at like 10:35, and then 12:15. But they don't come back to 12:40 or so, almost 1 o'clock from lunch. And then I have planning. About 2:15, 2:30. Okay. We have a staff meeting this week. I don't know when it is, so I need to remember to look up when we have our staff meeting. I want to say it's Wednesday or Thursday. I have a doctor's appointment this week, and I just like to brainstorm everything. So we have a staff meeting, and I need to figure out when that is. I have a doctor's appointment. I am on Ozempic. I am down 20 pounds. I'm so scared I'm gonna gain it back. But anyway, I'm gonna be working on my mid-year planners. I need a game plan. Did not do anything with that yesterday. I want a new sticker set this week. And I want to move over all of my stickers that are in my collection to my stickers in Noteful. So I want to move over. I have a hair appointment this week on Friday. Now these things will move over every day until they, are done. So I copy and paste. So I just don't want to forget the things that's going on. These are just pending tasks. And then the top 3 is definitely something I want to get done today. But the things I put on pending tasks don't necessarily have to get done today, but they do need to be in my forefront. And I just like looking at my stuff all week. So we got a staff meeting this week. We got a doctor's appointment this week. I know that's Thursday, so we just going to put a dash. Thursday at 2:40. And I'm going to look up when the staff meeting is. It's either Wednesday or Thursday at 4:15. We are off Monday, so I want to plan my weekend. Don't pay my students no mind. They don't see me recording. All right, so after my hair appointment is at after school, so that's about 4:30. I need to pick up the hair for the hair appointment. So I'm probably going to leave on my planning period to get all that done, and then I have to come back and get my student who's doing my hair. So then I need to pick up the hair. Good morning. I need to update grades at some point this week. They're due next Tuesday. I need to work on my co-worker, my partner. I need to set the plan for my I guess it's lesson plan notes. What am I calling those? Guided notes for the PowerPoints that we're creating. I've done 2 of them. I don't like that. There we go. All right, so we're gonna set some stickers on here, and all my stickers are still housed in GoodNotes. So we have to where's Noteful? Go back there to look at stickers. I am going to get all this transferred over to a sticker book that goes into Noteful. I'm not sure how to do that yet, but we're going to work on it. I saw these stickers I wanted, and I was like, Lynn, why are you buying stickers when you can make them? So I need to sit down and make them. And I need to work on it. Okay, I like that one. I like this one. And then we want to go to our elements. I don't know what I'm doing wrong with this. This is getting on my nerves. Copy. That's why I said I wanted to bring all of these over to my elements today. So I'm going to be working on that. So at least the ones that I like. I can, what you call it? Have them in my stickers on Noteful. All right, guys, that's basically it for today. I'm going to work on this, and hopefully you'll see the thumbnail where it looks all put together. But until the next time, y'all have a great day and happy planning.